it's to a village. And I was about to speedrun, so I wanted a village. I seemed up with this village because it actually had this. I walked through it and I was playing. Well, when I saw the door open, so I closed it. I then took the breakfast. I knew I could actually sleep it. When I saw a house that was abnormal. I saw this thing. I don't know what's that for, but I went into the house with a birch tree. And I saw it at like a lever, and it was going. I saw a lot of beef here, so I took it. Locked it. I was off. Sorry. I have ads. I have ads. I was just playing, and I saw left, right, things in this test. I was having a good head start, and there was Ender Eyes. So I took the chance to take some Totem of Undying. And I didn't took the shovel because look, ads. Ow! My leg, Claire! And I found this trap door. I opened it and it showed Metroid Armor. I didn't try to get it, so I was playing normally. I don't know what to do next. When I took the downstairs, I found it was actually the underground secret place. It's nice. But what I found here, it was not right on it. I think this is what a secret underground base that I played at. Give back to me. And I was just exploring.